Hi, in this episode we're going to learn different places. Uh, Market in Cebuano we call it mercado, or there are so many people who says mercado, Changi, the same. So, but in Ilonggo we have different names for Changi. It's a small grocery store. But when you say Changi in Cebuano, it is specifically big market. But in Ilonggo, in Hiligaynon, we call it Mercado. It's a big market. Changi, it's a small grocery store. Now, when we go to a park, we call it plaza. When you call it plaza. Beach, specifically in Dumaguete City, there are so many beaches, so we call it bye-bye. Or people knows what is beach. So when we say beach, people really knows what is beach. Airport, we are using airport because we don't have a specific term for Cebuano. Terminal, the same, terminal. School, eskwelahan. Church, simbahan. Ano pa? Places. Those are just specific places. Mercado, market, mercado or Changi, terminal, at hospital. Yes, hospital. Hospital is hospital. Hospital. It can be hospital or hospital are the same. What more? I don't know because I don't go anywhere. I'm just staying in my office or in the school. What more places? My mind is so empty. So maybe I need to write everything in a notebook so that I will not forget next time. So that's all for this time. I hope to see you again. This is Francis Imoy, aka Isco. See you next meeting. Thank you.